just from a physics perspective. From a music perspective, that's a whole different dynamics, right? So
now I was about to ask you, what is physics? You know, because I don't remember taking that class.
yeah.
What is physics for people that don't know what physics is?
Well, one aspect of physics is to study the fundamental nature of reality. You know, the underlying properties, the nature of matter, energy, and basically physics encapsulate a number of different phenomena. It really studies how things work on a fundamental level, on a molecular level. What is the underlying mechanism that governs a phenomena? You know.
I don't know what you're talking about, man.
Man,
But you know what? You keep moving around. You're making me stomach queasy.
I apologize.
You're moving around. It's like I'm on a roller coaster or something. You know what I mean?
I just want to know.
Are those behind you? Are those books?